to the channel. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up. In this video, we're gonna go over some beginner to intermediate sparring, just focusing on our kicks. So what I call this is our friendly conversation. The idea behind this is I don't yell and I don't interrupt too often. Meaning if I throw a kick, I'm not trying to blast Casey, I'm just gonna throw a kick and then I'm gonna give him a chance to reply. So he can throw one back at me and I'm gonna block it. This way we can kind of stay focused. We know we can throw our technique without getting caught on the way in. This gives us a chance to get used to this type of range and maintaining our composure. So I'll throw a kick at Casey, he'll block it, he'll come back, I'll block it, come back with him, pull with one. Maybe occasionally as you get a little bit better, you might throw a kick and then immediately throw another one once in a while, just to kind of get some combos going, keep your partner on their toes. For the most part, it's just a back and forth thing. So you can see there where Casey threw my leg off balance. I might even just hang out here for a second, let him throw a kick at me. Or like I said, you're a little bit better with things. I'll see if it gets me off balance. I'll try to come right back right away. Go ahead. Try and block that right away. Or even follow through. You come to follow through the spinning back kick or something like that. Again, that's more intermediate, more advanced to keep him on his toes. But other than that, it's just a back and forth, easy flow, nice and relaxed. Beginners, don't start them off with head kicks. Keep everything to the legs and body. As you get better, you go high to the head kicks. And that's your beginner level kick sparring drill.